subject of today's video is affiliate fraud. How to avoid the worst affiliate marketing scams. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Imagine that all you needed to make money online was a website. You don't have to create your own products or offer a service. Does that sound good? Then welcome to affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's product or service in return for a commission on the sales you generate from ads that you pay for. Commissions are typically a percentage of the sale, but can occasionally be a fixed amount. The best affiliate programs can have a recurring back-end commissions that can keep paying you commissions month after month. Now, how to avoid the worst affiliate marketing scams? There's no denying that affiliate marketing is a great way to boost your income. Unfortunately, not all affiliate programs are created equal. For every legitimate program you come across, you're also likely to encounter plenty of affiliate marketing scams. The presence of these programs shouldn't put you off, though, especially since the unreliable claims these scammers make can usually be spotted from a mile away. This means you can focus your efforts on credible affiliate programs, which produce far better results in the long term. In this video, we'll explore the too good to be true claims that some affiliate marketing programs make and explain why they can be dangerous. We'll also talk about how to find a trustworthy affiliate marketing program and avoid affiliate marketing scams. Before we get started, keep this tip in your back pocket. If you're ever even slightly suspicious about a program's quality, check it out. There are lots of excellent domain quality checkers online to help you. Just do a Google search for website quality checker and see what turns up. URL Void is one we've used that seems to work well. Now, why are affiliate marketing scams? Why are they common? It goes without saying that the internet has brought with it all kinds of career opportunities. There are more ways than ever to make money online, meaning that just about anyone can take their income into their own hands. However, when there's money to be made, there are usually some vultures nearby. Vultures are online scammers who take advantage of people's desire to succeed and succeed quickly with minimal effort. They make ridiculous claims about what they can offer, knowing that will grab the attention of many who are looking to start a legitimate side business or a full-time business. If an innocent party is fooled by such a scam, they're likely to end up in a worse position than the one they started in, although they can be found in pretty much any area of the online businesses. Affiliate marketing scams seem to be increasingly common, and the best defense is to become familiar with the tactics being used to fool unwary targets. Now, where you're most likely to find them, it's important to note that Google's first page results are almost, and I mean almost always, going to be legit. The further you dive back into the pages 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, the greater your chances of encountering questionable intent and questionable content. Also, as amazing as most of its content is, YouTube can be a breeding ground for affiliate scams, in case you haven't noticed. So be on high alert when it comes to that platform. And finally, watch out for display ads, pop-ups. They're familiar territory for scammers. There are 3 telltale characteristics of affiliate marketing scams. Falling into an affiliate marketing trap could mean that you could lose a lot of money. It may even cause you to lose your credibility as an affiliate marketer. You could lose your ClickBank account. You could lose your email service, autoresponder service. In other words, it's Definitely something you'll want to avoid. To help you stay on track, the following are three of the most commonly encountered affiliate marketing scams. But first, keep one rule of thumb in mind. A spammy look is a red flag for spammy situation, a spammy marketer. In the modern digital age, in our world, digital world, our eyes are trained to identify spammy looking content. You should know it when you see it. There are a couple of examples later. Look for things like too many ads, low quality stock images, lots of redirects, way too much copy, a cluttered appearance, sensational aesthetic claims, and sensational headlines like lose weight in 24 hours, lose 10 pounds in 24 hours, and dollar bills flying everywhere. But also know that a scam can have a beautiful professional design. Just remember to always be on your toes. That said, here are 3 top scams to look out for. 1. Get-rich-quick schemes. Aside from winning the lottery, there's just no such thing as getting rich quick. Great as affiliate marketing is, you're not going to become a millionaire overnight. It takes anywhere from 6 months to a year or even a little bit longer. Unfortunately, that doesn't stop scammers from implying that you will. They take advantage of the fact that people are looking to make money and oversell the services they offer. Unrealistic deals can be easily spotted, as they will claim that you can make a lot of money with minimal work. In reality, you'll need to put in plenty of effort to make affiliate marketing a successful venture. So be wary of schemes that promise otherwise. Get-rich-quick schemes will also push the idea that you can make thousands of dollars in a short period of time. Again, this simply is not possible. Instead, look for programs that have clearly defined payment plans. The monetary value of these programs promise will be lower, but far more realistic. Of course, your potential earnings will vary from program to program. However, in a general sense, affiliate marketers can expect to make between 5 to 30% of the sale. The second thing to look out for with scammers is a pay-to-join program. Another common affiliate marketing scam involves asking people to pay for their affiliate memberships. Again, this is an easy trap to fall into. At first glance, it might make sense that you have to pay in order to join a company's affiliate program. However, most credible affiliate schemes are completely free to join. This is because you are effectively going to be working for the company that has set the program up. Now, you wouldn't pay to work a real world job, so you shouldn't do so when getting started with affiliate marketing. Plus, when you buy into a scam like this, it's likely that you won't see your money ever again or make any additional income. Before signing up for any program, make sure the company behind it is legitimate. Is there a list of clients on its website? And can you find positive feedback about the program? If not, it may be a sign that you need to look elsewhere. Now, ClickBank marketplaces are a great way to find affiliate offers that you can rely on, and is one source that I use myself. However, I still do my checking, and I still check the offers out online. A third way of scammers work is they offer fake products or services. In affiliate programs, marketers make money by promoting products or services created by other, often much larger companies. Sometimes scammers will create fake products or services, brand name stuff, and promote them under a well-established business. Unsuspecting marketers may then assume that the deal is credible or legitimate, especially since false programs can be very thorough. Scammers will often craft full product catalogs and write fake customer reviews for each offering. They've even been known to promote their businesses using paid phony spokesperson people. A clear sign that a product is fake is an abundance of overly positive reviews. Even the best services will have a few negative comments, so be wary of any that don't have any negative reviews. False products are also likely to have blurry or unrealistic images, such as stock photos. Real brands take the time to carefully photograph their offerings. Fake ones often steal pictures from other websites. An example of a fake product offering complete with badly postponed images. If you aren't sure whether a program or product is real, your first step should be to check the brand's official website, the official brand name website. You should be able to find the products or services in question, as well as a page for the affiliate program. If you go to the brand products or service official website, and you scroll down to the bottom of their official website, and you don't see join affiliate program or affiliate information, if you don't see that where they don't have affiliate program, then skip it. Don't. It's a scam. Don't get into that program, because that brand name doesn't have any affiliate programs. Another effective way to identify fake products or programs is to do your own research. Enter a search term like all in quotes, and then the product name in brackets, affiliate scam in Google search, and see what comes up. If you've been drawn to a fake, chances are other people have been too, and those who have been burned are likely to talk about it online. It may also be worth contacting the business owners themselves. They'll be best equipped to provide a solid answer, and may even escalate the issue to prevent other affiliate marketers from being scammed. My conclusion: the popularity of affiliate marketing means that it's easy to get involved in. At the same time, it's also led to a proliferation of false programs, suspicious claims, and outright scams. If you're looking to become an affiliate marketer, it's vital to know what you should watch out for. Now, here are 4 of the most common affiliate scams include. They're the most common tactics. As we discussed before, get-rich-quick schemes that offer maximum payout with minimum effort. Affiliate programs, marketing programs that require an initial payment to join. Don't be paying anything to join an affiliate marketing program, of course, unless you're getting coaching. Schemes that use famous brand name to promote fake or products or services. And finally, the 4th affiliate scam to watch out for is the self-professed marketing guru offering courses in affiliate marketing that promise you that you'll make thousands of dollars in just a few weeks' time. That is a huge red flag. Also, how many followers on YouTube does this person have? What is their Facebook presence? And do they have any affiliate awards like the ClickFunnels $2 million award? Now, I'm enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has thousands of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now to get this world-class online training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.